Hi, I'm Gary Kim. I'm the editor of Mobile Marketing and Technology, and I'm here today with Eric Hoffman, who's the Senior Vice President with Rome Data. And Eric, glad to have you with us today.
Thank you.
One question, what is Rome Data? What does it do?
Okay. Well, Rome Data was formed in 2005. We are a mobile commerce platform as a service company. Many companies use us for a variety of mobile commerce requirements in order to enter the marketplace or extend their business. So we have a wide variety of customers in different vertical markets, whether they're payment processors, ISOs, retailers, direct selling companies, major PSP partners like a PayPal or an Amazon or a Yahoo, folks like that who want to go from virtual to physical payments. So we really cover it, and I think the magic behind what we do as a company is that we can support different segments of the payments ecosystem with specific requirements that they need to help them decide whether they should build or buy. So they have some core attributes that they do each and every day, including managing their customer base, and to enter this marketplace, they lean on us to supply them with hardware, gateway, managing their fleet of hardware, connections to all the payment processors, and really that's what Rome Data is all about.
Now, this notion of sort of cloud-based, something as a service, you've mentioned a number of different elements ranging from management of hardware to the actual software. In terms of the business process that you're enabling, how do you put the goalpost?
Well, I mean, there's really three components that got us to where we are. There's the mobile devices. So with the mobile devices, you need compatibility with the hardware, and that's a real key selling benefit of dealing with Rome. We have 90+ compatibility. Our next generation software, 95% compatibility. Android, iOS, BlackBerry, Windows, etc. Then you have really the data that comes from the transaction and the importance of capturing more customer data. And then, of course, as you mentioned, cloud-based computing. So now people have become accustomed to doing things through an application, whether it's mobile banking or payments, and there's a comfort level with that ecosystem that's been presented.
I've heard it said that Rome's in the mobile point of sale business, and sometimes I think it's easiest for people to understand what kind of animal you are by saying, well, we're sort of like this other animal. What other companies come to mind in terms of people in your space?
Well, again, there are companies that do items of our value proposition, but truly not everything. So the reason that we may not be a household name like a Square is becoming a household name because Square is the product, that's the brand, that's the shape, that's the service. So they're marketing. If you look at Intuit, you look at PayPal, they do something today as a core competency, but they outsource quite a bit of the ecosystem to be in the mobile point of sale. Rome sits behind over 70% of the non-Square devices that are in the marketplace. So NAB, which has the Pay Anywhere product, that's a half-circle device, that's a Rome swiper. You look at what Vantive is doing, that's a customer of ours. So you go right through a list of payment processors, different companies within different vertical markets, and we're servicing a customer need of branding, creating a shape. We look at what Groupon's doing. So Groupon offers company, but they have that relationship with thousands of merchants. So now they're coming out, it was announced today, they're giving away a tablet with a swiper, and that swiper is a Rome swiper. So we're really the brand behind the marketing companies or loyalty companies or the virtual payment companies, but we're really not selling direct. Very few instances of direct. We're really an indirect sales organization.
So if I'm a participant in the mobile commerce space, or just in commerce space in fact, and I wanted to add the feature of enabling a smartphone or a tablet to function as a credit card swiping device, you would supply the infrastructure that enables that.
Sure. Okay. We have the Rome Pay and the Rome Pay X product. So it's our mobile application, and our 4.0 generation is coming out this quarter with some advanced features around inventory management, managing shipping, tipping, things that our clients have said that we need to continue innovating to support. So it'll really go across multiple verticals, whether it's restaurant or retail. And that works with the firmware of the hardware, which is the swiper. So we can put a merchant into business of accepting payments virtually overnight once they receive their merchant account. One thing that we don't do is supply the merchant account. So we don't compete with our partners. The partners are providing the merchant account. They do the underwriting. They do the support if needed. They do the back office work around chargebacks. We're supplying pretty much everything else.
Eric, thanks very much for speaking with us.
Thank you.
And thanks for watching.